Hello and welcome guys to another video where we talk about carbon credits, carbon credit investing and how to make money with carbon. If you enjoy content like this, then please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For this video, I want to give a special shout out to the community that we're building. They put me on some amazing projects and I can report them back to you here. So if you want to be part of that community, check out the Discord server and/or the Facebook group. Links are in the description below, where we talk about all these issues, where we suggest projects, amazing people there, and growing at a fast pace. Speaking of growing at a fast pace, what is this graph? Is this some new kind of cryptocurrency that goes straight up, or the new Facebook? Of course it's not. This is the graph of Enking International, world's largest carbon credit developer and supplier, also known as Eki Energy Limited. This stock has been listed since April 2021 and has been up 6,000%. That is a 60-fold increase, my friend. However, it is not entirely clear for me how to get hold of this company, as it trades on the Indian stock exchange, but I will try my best to get hold of it. The price right now sits at 8,168.20 rupees. That's Indian rupees for that matter. That corresponds to about 108.9 USD or $109 depending on the exchange rate. But the stock started at around 1.75 USD. So incredible growth of the stock. So what is it? What is Eki Energy Limited, Enking? So Enking claims to be the world's largest carbon credit developer and supplier. From what I could gather, their business model is right in between the carbon market. They help projects get credits. So if you have a renewable energy project or a nature-based solution project, then they help you with the certification process. They help you especially get the contacts and the government on your side. So they're very well connected and have a lot of expertise. So they basically help you save a lot of time and get some extra money for your project. I assume they also develop projects themselves, but it seems to a lesser degree. And then they work also together with the brands who buy these credits. So if you're a big company wanting to offset your emissions, then you call Enking and they help you get good quality credits. So in some way, Enking is the perfect middleman. They plug right in between the supply and demand and help facilitate the trade. So the main source of business is climate change, sustainability advisory and carbon offsetting service. And you can see how much potential there is to plug into this carbon market. With the carbon market growing, but neither side having the connections and neither side having a lot of expertise. They also do ISO advisory and electrical safety audits, but the climate change, sustainability advisory and carbon offsetting service is about 99% of their revenue. 99%. So here you can see that they assist the project with the documentation, with the registration, and also the monitoring and verification. So all the things that are very difficult for someone who has a project that is already difficult, where you plant trees or whatever. And the monitoring and registration and all the paperwork basically is done by Enking. And also then they go and find buyers and contract with the buyers. So right in the middle of everything. Over 1,000 carbon credit projects in the portfolio, with most of them being in energy, renewable energy and energy efficient projects. I don't think they have that many nature-based solutions, but maybe that's gonna change. And big clients, the World Bank, IMF, the United Nations, and all the renewable companies. So they work together with the renewable companies and then the energy companies and banks and everything. So quite some names in there. There are many more on their website. So how could this company grow so explosively? If we look at this graph from the Task Force on Scaling Voluntary Carbon Markets, you can see that the projected growth will be immense. We are in need for other solutions. Not only the nature-based climate solution will grow, but we need something else. So if the market's gonna 10x in 10 years, then this is just a giant opportunity, as Enking proves to us. Maybe there's also a bit of hype involved, but we can undeniably say that this is rapid growth and a high demand for this service. We can also look at the numbers, and I must say these are in 100,000 rupee steps. So I'm not gonna translate these numbers into USD or whatever, because there's just gonna be a lot of work. I'm just gonna go in percentage wise. And also their financial year 2022 started mid-2021. So not to be confused, they already have 2022 here, but it started already this year. So we can see the revenue 3x'd. The earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization went from 2,500 to 15,000. So a 6x increase, and the profit from 2,000 to about 12,000. So also nearly a 6x increase. The margins going up. So everything looks super good here. They say that the demand supply gap is widening, so even more opportunity. We can also see that the debt is going down. They're borrowing less money. They're reducing their debt and have effective working capital management. They are traded on the Bombay Stock Exchange, so the Indian stock exchange. Currently my broker does not have access to it, but I will do some research about which brokers are better for carbon investing, as sometimes I have myself problems of finding the companies that I'm looking for. I will put all the details in the description below so you can find out for yourself if you can invest in this company or not, if your broker is eligible. Let us know in the comments section so we can all get better at this. And yeah, check out their website for yourself. Check out their financial statements if you're interested. I think this seems pretty legit. For me personally, this seems like a model to follow. A company that proves that if you put yourself in the right position in the carbon markets with a dwindling supply and a growing demand, you can get a lot out of it. We will see over the future how sustainable this growth is. But for now, this is incredible. So as always, I want to know, what do you think? What do you think of Eki Energy? Does it seem legit? Does the growth seem sustainable? And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. This helps the algorithm, this helps this channel grow and reach more people. And I really want to expand the network of people working together to talk about opportunities like that. Because once again, it was someone in the comment section who made me aware of this company, and then I can do some research and present it to you. So let me know in the comment section what you think. Join the Facebook group, join the Discord server, and as always, I thank you very much for your attention from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in the next video.